Hello, my name is Shilin. I'm the landscape designer of Action Home Services. Before start construction or buying material, you may have this question: do I need a permit for a pergola in my backyard? The answer is it depends. Let's break down into details. So when do we need a permit? When do we not need a permit first? Okay, when do we not need a permit? If the pergola is not attached to the house, if it's less than 10 square meters, if it doesn't have a covered roof, or if it doesn't have electrical lines like lighting or plumbing, then likely you don't need a permit for a pergola in Toronto. But if the pergola is attached to the house, if it is larger than 10 square meters, if it requires electrical lines, if it is part of the deck structure, or if it's too close to a property line that will affect the zoning regulations, then you will need a permit. So basically that's it. But to be safe, always check with the city, or you can call us Action Home Services. Shilin will be helping you with all the permits. I will be helping you with all the permit questions. Thank you.